Introducing the 2023 Kia Sorento PHEV K3, a stunning 5-door automatic in a sleek blue exterior. With only 231C2825 kilometers on the clock, but this 1.6 litre engine is practically new. Packed with comfort and safety features like Bluetooth, cruise control, satellite navigation, and multiple airbags, you can hit the road with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy luxury trim, third-row seats, and a chrome package for added style. With ABS, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, safety is a top priority. And with an anti-corrosion warranty and energy recuperation, this vehicle is built to last. Fully serviced and warranted, this Sorento is ready for you. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie to learn more today.